From there to three. In short, I used to have it plenty. Just Shima, can you give me before you can see it again? But these are the ones I have right now. Area, maybe, some things like that, and other things. Hey lovelies, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on where you're watching from. So, this morning I'll be talking about what I normally have inside my bag. I mean, my necessities, things that in a day I can't do without them, or I would say they're always necessary because sometimes I'll just say, did I even come with such thing? Oh yeah, it's there. Those kind of things. Yeah, I'll start by, first of all, this is my bag this morning. Yeah. Okay, the first thing, my laptop. This is number one, and the charger. Once it's not charged, if I know that I didn't charge it from the house, I have to come with the charger to the from the house to the office. Yeah, charger. My phone charger. My phone charger. My gum. This is my gum. My chewing gum. Yes. I have another gum of it. Either I go for this or I go for this. I must have gum. I always have chewing gum with me because sometimes if I eat, I'll start feeling nauseous. There are some things I'll eat. If there is no pepper in the food, you see me start feeling nauseous, and I'm not always happy about it. Okay, I'll start looking for chewing gum. If not, I'll vomit it. So chewing gum is always at my rescue. Okay. My notepad. I have this notepad. It's my biro. I must have it. There's nothing you know inside here. My YouTube, everything. There's nothing you know inside this book. And I like jotting things down because sometimes after jotting it down, or maybe I'll write down things that I want to do. You always see me with this book. It reminds me of so many things, even if I've forgotten that thing. Once I go through this book, I always remember. Yeah. You must have Bible. This is my morning. I always have this prayer book. Whenever I come to work in the morning, this is my first book I use. I like meditating with this book every morning. Yeah, it's a must do. So any day I see it again, I'll have to buy one for office and one for the house. So it will reduce load from my bag. Okay, must have. Okay, lip gloss. The lips, you wet your lips always. And okay, power bank in case if my battery decides to misbehave. I always have my power bank. This is Nigeria. If you don't have power bank, almost you're on a long thing. My ID card. I don't go anywhere without my ID card, so this is my ID card. Good. Things I say anytime I want. My house key. My house key. Yeah. And my wallet. Okay, you open it like this. This place, I have my ATM cards. I have my ATM cards. I have my PVC, yeah, and some ID cards, um, some complimentary cards also, even here. This is my own complimentary card, 2L, yeah. So here I have some cash. There's no cash. Oh no, we have got some cash inside here. Yeah, 20 naira, 50 naira, 1000 naira. You know, these cashless moments. Still got some cash. Okay, here, this one is removable. You can remove it. Inside this one, I have so many things here. This is my needle and thread. My needle and thread. Yeah, there is needle here. There is button. There is thread. Like black color. There is red. There is brown. There is white. So, yeah, I don't miss it. This thing helps me. Sometimes, you know, your clothes might decide to misbehave, and it always comes to my rescue. I don't miss it. You don't have this. You need to get one. Hey, that's been selling since 1950. I have my still on this. This is my passport. I have my passports inside this. This is my razor blade. I don't joke with my razor blade. If you know me very well, I don't joke with this blade. There is blade inside this paper. I don't joke with it. It's my private blade. I can just, I don't know. It's a bad habit though. I also have my spare key. Yeah, inside this. What else? Okay. I also have my floss. Floss, yes, I have it. Yeah, it can shock you anyway. So I also have safety pin in case of incasity. You know, you can like to cover up or use it and hold something. Yeah, not just one, they're up to three. I thought I used to have it plenty. It's just, Tima, can you give me before you make I won't see it again? But these are the ones I have right now. What else? Okay. Inside this bag, I have this bag. This is an inner bag from one handbag like that. Oh. It's still serving me. So inside this bag, this is my mic. This is where I normally keep my mic. Yeah, so I normally keep my mic. And I also have my perfume. Yeah, this is like a refill. You can refill, you can open it, refill. Yeah, so pour in your perfume, refill. So you need to smell good. Who's coming to my rescue? Customer, anything can come up. So it's always here. And this is loratadine for catarrh or any allergy. Yeah, I always have it too. These two, I don't miss them. Anything can come up, malaria, headache, you know, some things like that. Other things. This is my oil. I don't miss it. So guys, these are the things that I normally have in my bag. Yeah, guys, this will be the end of my vlog. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, like, share, And another thing, I'm so happy this morning. I got a call from my sister. She just put to bed this morning. Yay, I'm so happy. And Auntie Chidima. Yeah, another Auntie Chidima. So happy. This is like another addiction to the really. I'm so happy. So guys, do subscribe to my channel, like, share. Bye. See you on my next video.